Okay, we are at Agent 2021, and I'm talking here with Stephen Katz, right?
Yes.
Okay, out of what city?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia. And Stephen was telling me about some video that he started doing, and I looked at some of those videos, and it was really authentic, so I wanted you to, you've been doing a lot of them. How has that been working for you?
Well, it's been going well. I try and post one video a week on LinkedIn. And I try and take maybe something that's happening and connect it to business or make a connection to the mortgage industry and spark some interest.
Yeah, I loved how you said you're relating it to topics that people are talking about, right?
Right. So I did one recently. Atlanta United won the MLS championship, and I did a video about them and what a great investment about taking risk like Arthur Blank did, and they got 100,000 hits.
Yeah, 100,000 hits. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I love how you're making it really relatable, but people understand that you are a loan officer. You're in mortgage, right? And
right.
People get that tie.
You don't just have to talk about mortgages and loans all the time. If you take a current event or just something that happens in the normal course of business and maybe circle it around to the mortgage business at the end of the commentary, people will find common ground and they enjoy it.
Yeah, so good. It's all about empathizing, and I think that's a term that Gary Vee has talked a lot about at the conference. So what happens when how does a video go viral like that? Like, how did you get 100,000 hits on that video?
Well, I don't really know the secret, but
no one does.
right. But I guess people shared it and they enjoyed the story. And there's a lot of soccer fans, and it was something new to Atlanta. And of course, we don't have many championships, so a lot of people viewed it.
So again, it was relevant to the audience and something that gave them something practical and a piece of advice, right?
Right, and the part I like are the comments. There were about 75 comments that people made and really had some business-type discussions, and I thought that was really neat.
That's awesome. Well, you're providing value to your audience, and you're being consistent, you're being yourself. So I thought this was a great example to share with our audience. Thank you so much for sharing your time.
Well, thank you, Chris.